The spirit moving through me, using me to do usually the coolest stuff. Like beautifully expressing musically and how my people rise when it's rough. I don't play no games, we all need to change, need to think about our tomorrow. Oh, I love my life, oh, I love my life, and I wanna see y'all tomorrow. Let's stop judging, let's start dreaming, come together, see what we all need. Let's be real, let's be honest, only when we gon' kill our demons. Let's all travel, let's unravel all of our thoughts so we all can see that we one. Just wanna be a door for energy. I just wanna create loving memories. I just wanna see you be the remedy that I know you are, shining like a star. Ain't no Joe sleeping on this hard lava.
What'd you guys do last night? Oh, nothing. We just, went and camped out on the lava. Say what? Oh yeah, we just went and camped out on the lava. I don't understand. What do you mean? Well, we set up a tent and, hammered some stakes into the ground, which was lava. Yeah, I still don't understand what you mean. So we've been on the grind for a minute and working. This is our first time ever really coming out and spending any time together on the item, camping.
It's our first time.
Yeah, like really going on like a solid adventure.
Yeah.
We're just doing nothing but that. And we're just gonna play today. Yeah, what did you say? Rest? What did you say? Restore, rejuvenate?
Restore, rejuvenate, and reflect.
I love that. So we figured we'd capture the beauty.
Good morning.
Time to break her all down. Stepped out on the lava, it was beautiful. That's clean. It's a clean camera for you. So we gotta get this thing up. Probably within the next 20 minutes. Or we're gonna get... anybody got time for that?
I'm gonna go pour out these old juices.
Where are you pouring them?
It's over there. Make a pile of nutrient-dense liquid for the cockroaches.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because they will be here. Trust and believe that.
Okay, there we go. Let me capture that pour. I'll pour it nice and slow for us. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It smells awful.
Does it?
Yeah, you can't smell that? It smells awful. Yeah, I don't know nothing about this. It's that Big Island Booch. It's the Buzz Booch. It's a little coffee and kombucha mix. Pretty nice. It's a little booty.
The ocean, the sun, the
You excited?
the espiritu. Yes, I'm excited. I'm always excited.
Yeah. You get on camera very often?
Not these days. Let's walk over to the sign and see what time the park opens. You want to come?
Yeah. Alright, so let's see what this thing says here. Looks like 8 a.m. is when they open. And it is 7:10.
Hapuna it is.
Hapuna it is.
It's closed right now until further notice.
Okay, so
There's
can we
a
park and
shark
walk
side.
in like those people? Look, those people are walking in, so.
Yeah, I know, but you cannot swim right now at this point.
But we can lay out on the beach.
Yeah, I guess it's possible. You're gonna have to leave your car on the outside for now.
Okay.
I don't know. This is soon it will open because they gotta do the routine going back and forth and check the water for sharks and whatever.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
All right, so we manifested like some of the best parking. It was closed. We went to go park off to the side and walk in, but then they opened it as soon as we parked. So,
Why'd they close it, babe?
well, the sharks.
Oh, there was a shark.
Yeah, shark stuff.
Kind of nice that we know they check.
Right? It's good to me.
So we're parking. This is a dream come true. We are in the first parking spot. You see, this is where you walk into the beach.
Mm-hmm. Get out here.
Let's get it. Do you want to go over in that cove on the beachfront?
Sure. Alrighty. Have arrived to Hapuna Beach. It's a little bright. Let me tell y'all something. If there is something you think that you cannot manifest in your life, I urge you to think twice, because this right here is beautiful. And I did not think that I would be able to sustain myself and, come to somewhere like Hawaii and live. Before moving here, the idea of coming here wasn't even a possibility. And there were so many questions as to, how do we make this happen? How do we go about living a life in Hawaii? And to be honest, y'all, it was as simple as booking a flight and finding somewhere to stay. And the rest of it, we let God take care of. And let me tell you something, God is taking care of it. Of course, we had to show up and do our part. Of course, we had to stretch ourselves in ways and get uncomfortable and ask and take action in various ways, but all that stuff came as it came. There was no need to overanalyze things and overthink things, and there's no point in trying to imagine up details to control, right? If anything, if you're gonna imagine details, imagine those details as things to appreciate rather than imagining details to control. I think that's one of the biggest ways a lot of us get in the way of great things happening in our life. To me, that's one of the ways we get in the way of God coming in and controlling things for us and moving things around for us. So I ain't gonna get too deep into all that right now. We at the beach, we chilling, we enjoying ourselves, getting some sun, doing some tanning. I don't know where my lady went. I think she went to the restroom. Capture her beautiful self. Right now I just want to chill, man, and just capture this beauty and share it with y'all, and hopefully it puts a smile on your face. So I'm about to go get in the water.
Where are we?
I know.
What are you doing?
I know what's happening.
Oh. There's my sweet, my lady. Oh, looking like a snack. Looking like a beach bosom flower. Look at you. Baby.
You always do this. You brought your own towel, you always go on mine.
Yeah, I like your towel better.
No. Get your own.
Let me get my own towel.
You have your own. You brought it. You told me you did.
I did. But yours was just so perfectly set
Not
up
for
right
you,
there.
for me.
Oh my goodness, share.
No.
Learn how to share, girl. Ready to go hop in the water, babe? Oh, let me just get you for a second. Let me just get you. Look at. Oh, this sand is hot right now. Burn. Hey, baby. Gotta be careful with this thing, cause I ain't trying to get this wet. Go play.
No, you go play. It's cold.
Oh, we in here. Alright, so unexpectedly the camera's about to die, so we been just go play and let the camera go for now. So it's been fun. Hope you enjoyed our little mini Hawaii adventure. Well, till next time, y'all. Aloha.